Today I will show you guys how to drive Volvo manual split gear truck. In this truck it has manual, as you can see, and it also has this split gear switch here. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I want to use 1, 2, 3, which are low gear, then this button need to be in down position. If I want to use high gear, which are 4, 5, 6, then this button need to be in up position. Okay, if you want to use split gear and this button is up here, it means I am gonna use whole gears. For example, if I put this in first position, then I will use first gear, second position second gear, third position third gear, and so on. If I put this button down like that and press my clutch, then it means I'm gonna use low gear, and this light will show on dashboard. Okay, so if this button is down and I will be using half gear or split gear, and then I change gear to first gear, this time I have actually changed this to 0.5 gear, but this is in first gear slot. If I bring gear stick and change to second gear, then actually I am changing gear to 1 plus 0.5. If I change it to third gear, then actually I am changing to 2 plus 0.5. So basically I am getting, more torque. If it's here, you can easily see if this button is down, this light will come on. If this button is up and you press the clutch, then this light will go. If this button is down and you press the clutch, this light will come. Okay, let's say it's in down position, which is low or split gear, and I want to start the truck. So what I'll do, I'll go in first gear like that, second gear, third gear. For fourth gear, I will bring this button up, and then fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, and so on. That's how you drive split gear truck. Once again, so I will show you how I drive it. Basically, I start in first gear. So at that time is okay, let's say if it's loaded, then I'll bring half gear. Okay, now all the gear changes will be in half. Okay, like first gear is actually 0.5 gear, second gear is actually 1 plus 0.5, third gear is actually 2 plus 0.5. okay, so if truck is loaded, then I'll make sure that it's in half gear. I'll change it to first by pressing the clutch and bring in first gear, then bring it back, change it to second gear, and then third gear. And right now when it's in third gear, I'll bring that small switch up like that, and then change it to fourth gear, and fifth gear, and sixth gear, fifth gear and sixth gear, and so on. So I can actually show you guys how I do this by actually driving this and while holding the camera. This is private way road, by the way. I have started my truck. Okay, remove the handbrake. This is handbrake. Changing the clutch to first gear or in first gear position, but actually it's 0.5. okay, now driving. When needle is somewhere in green zone, then I'll change to second gear. When needle is in green zone, I'll change to third gear. When needle is in green zone, I'll bring the button up and change to fourth gear. And so on. But on this road I can't go more than 20 miles per hour. But yeah, that's how you drive Volvo manual split gear truck. Thank you, bye.